When deciding how to manage stress, it's important to make sure your method is healthy and will work long term. Talking to a therapist about stress can also be a key part of addressing and reducing it in the long term. A therapist may recommend healthy strategies for dealing with stress. Therapy can help you learn lifelong coping skills. Journaling your thoughts as a way of coping could help you. Also, trying running, basic exercise, reading a book, riding a bike. These are some of the basic things that you can do. There are also many other methods that you can also try. Therapy can also change the way you interact with people in your life in a good way. A therapist can help balance the way we communicate with our loved ones to improve our relationships. A therapist specialized in family and relationship counseling can give you the tools and support you need to make the changes positively impact your relationships. Increasing the positivity of your relationships build to a more fruitful long future. In 911 dispatch, communication is the vital link in relaying information to the appropriate parties. The calmness of a 911 dispatcher's voice during an emergency is vital. It calms the responders and it sets the tone for the situation. Therapy can make you feel happier. So, how does therapy make you feel happier? Talking over your past, present, and future with a therapist can lead to greater self-understanding. Through its link to happiness, therapy leads to more productivity. In other words, feeling positive emotions allows you to work harder and learn more because the feel-good chemicals in your brain. Therapy can also help you discover obstacles blocking you from performing at your best. Therapy can help improve chronic stress. A therapist can help you teach methods of calming your body and your mind, which might help include techniques such as guided visualization, progressive muscle relaxation, and deep breathing. Therapists can also help problem solve resources of your stress and teach you stress reduction methods. And they also have techniques that they can teach you as well. These are just some of the ways that we can cope with stress. There are also many other ways of dealing with stress. And one of the other ways that I had found actually was canine therapy. It's an alternative type of therapy. Dogs, they help reduce anxiety and depression. Dogs have demonstrated that they can keep their owners calm, especially when they're in distress, and they continue to apply this deep calming pressure therapy until the owner calms down. Dogs help bring a calmness to an already stressful job. In the picture I have in the slide, I have a woman named Amy McBriar, and she expressed that the interesting part of canine therapy is that it helps break through barriers that she can't break herself, which I thought was very neat because she was able to bring a canine, well, not her, but she was able to bring a canine into her workplace, and she was a 911 dispatcher. So I thought that was very cool because you never hear of therapy animals, especially coming into a PSAP. So I thought that was really cool and interesting. So as a result of the pandemic, natural disasters, social anxiety, and the importance of having a friend to lean on has never been so important. However, there are many people fail to realize that friendships don't always have to be between people, and thus most students miss out on the benefits of having a pet in their life. So going back on the therapy dog now, how exactly do these dogs aid in reducing anxiety and improving your overall health? So therapy dogs are basically certified. They volunteer alongside their owners in schools, clinics, offices, and care facilities. Therapy dogs and their owners work together to help better the lives of others. Basically, therapy dogs, they make excellent therapy animals. They demonstrate sympathy and empathy by nuzzling or moaning when they detect a human being, or whenever they're unhappy, or whenever they feel emotional pain. Therapy dogs' purpose is to basically bring comfort and company to any individual. So there is a difference between a therapy dog and a service dog. So a service dog is a dog that is a canine companion, and it's been trained to assist individuals with their daily tasks. So think of someone that is not capable of doing a task. Maybe someone that's not able to walk, or someone who's blind would have a service dog. Therapy dogs, they work more with their owners, so they don't have the same type of level of training as a service dog. They can help alleviate stress and mental type of pressure, and even mental pressure, of course. They also have a pleasant personality and are very, very easygoing. Service dogs are not allowed to interact or be touched by anyone, while on the other hand, therapy dogs it's very encouraged to pet a therapy dog. So how do therapy dogs reduce stress and anxiety? They don't judge and they don't condemn. They just visit and they provide smiles and a sense of security. On top of that, petting a dog helps alleviate stress and gives emotional support. The repetitive action and it produces a positive feeling, and it produces something called oxytocin, which is a stress relieving hormone, and this helps battle physical discomfort, which is caused by stress or worry, or ideally anything that is feeling like making you feel negative or causing that stress. So I believe that this practice should be adopted even more, just because dogs are very friendly creatures. Maybe not everyone is friendly to dogs, but those that are friendly and accepting of dogs.